So the announcement from the Welsh Government that regulated rail fares will increase in line with the rest of the UK to the value of up to 5.9% is something that we will now roll out across all of our regulated fares across our Wales and Borders network. Whilst this is an increase for our customers, it's also significantly lower than the standard RPI rate, which has been historically applied to rail fares. Transport for Wales is a not-for-profit organisation, and therefore all revenue and income that we generate through our rail fares is all designed to be completely reinvested back into our network and to help support us as we transform our services for our customers across the whole of the network, both our infrastructure investments and delivering all of our new trains that are coming down the tracks. We are incredibly mindful of the cost of living crisis, which may be affecting a significant number of our customers at the current time. With that in mind, we have also been launching a number of great value ticket offers for our customers. So recently we launched a buy 12 for the price of 6 on our multiflex offer. We've offered a 40% advance ticket sale for our longer distance journeys, and we've also offered 25% off our local rail cards. So all of those three measures are designed to try and incentivise and encourage our customers to bear with us through this through the current period that we all find ourselves with, and to continue to support rail across Wales and the Borders network.